Okay, I wanted to take a few minutes to explain to you how to sign up for an investing account with Betterment. My name is Producer Daniel, and I am the resident non-financial expert at Stewardship. And the reason it's me explaining to you how to sign up for an account is to show you that investing is super easy and you do not have to know anything about money to do it. It's very easy. You go to betterment.com, you click Get Started, and then you put in your personal information to set up an account, email, address, basic information like that. So while you're creating your account, it's going to ask you some questions. So it'll be a good idea to have prepared your estimated household income, your estimated account balances for like your regular checking and savings accounts, or any other investing accounts you might have, like a 401k through your work, or an IRA, or something like that. Did you not get my email that I'm filming today? I picked the brightest spot. You know what? Let's move. Hi. So once you have an account set up, it's time to link your bank account. So go to Settings, go to Funding Accounts, and under Funding Accounts, you should be able to automatically link your bank account. So it'll ask you what bank you go to and what's your sign-in information for that bank. I, however, bank at a smaller bank, so I had to manually link it. Manually linking it is also very simple. You just have to call Betterment and say, hey, I need to manually link my account. They flip some switches on their side, then you put in your account number and your routing number and it links it up. It's a lot like setting up direct deposit for work, so very straightforward. Before you go any further, you need to know that you're investing real money. Real money will leave your checking account and go into your investing account. So just know that before you do anything. Once you have your account set up and you have your bank account linked to it, it's time to start investing. This is the fun part. So all you have to know for this is, what do I want to do with my money and when do I want to do it? It'll ask you for the type of goal. Are you saving for a specific goal and when do you need that goal to be met? Or are you just trying to get familiar with investing and just general investing accounts? When my wife and I signed up a few weeks ago, we just chose general investing. Once you've established your goal, now you just choose the amount you invest. You can invest $1. We chose to invest $100 because we're really serious about this. And honestly, if you're not ready to invest $100, you might not be quite at the stage where it's time to invest. It might be a good idea to write out a monthly budget for your household and really just try to live in that budget for a while. But what's important at this stage is that you establish a habit of saving. So every time money comes into your checking account, you take a portion of it and put it into your Betterment account. The best part is this can be automated in Betterment. You can actually set it to automatically deposit into your Betterment account once a month. This literally becomes a no-brainer. You don't have to think about it. That's the best kind of investing, the investing you don't have to think about. Now, it's important to note that this is a non-qualified investment account, so it will have an effect on your taxes. So watch for emails during tax season from Betterment to see what you need to do differently on your taxes, if anything. There's a chance that you might not need to do anything differently, but it's probably a good idea to talk to a tax professional about that. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial expert. I'm not offering any financial advice. I'm just trying to walk you through how to sign up for Betterment. I would say it's a good idea to read all their terms and conditions just to make sure that you're covered. So a quick summary, go to Betterment, create an account, link your bank accounts, set your goals, deposit money. Congrats, you're an investor. Now I want to remind you, you are dealing with real money and there is inherent risk with investing. As we say in all of our content, volatility is the cost of admission for investing. But the risks are low, and the real riskiest thing you can do with your money is not to invest it at all. So don't let that happen to your friends. Share this video with one of your friends who you know should be investing, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. That was weird. Hey! I don't know anything. When would you like a train? Are you kidding me? Keep doing this, like chef's kiss.